welcome to the American Dream. I'm your host, Robert Yazbeck, and today we've got a very special show for you. We're going deep into the backcountry in the National Forest just outside of Steamboat Springs with Steamboat Powdercats. If you like adventure, deep snow, and good times, you are in for a treat. At the Dry Lake Campground parking lot, the gateway to Buffalo Pass, the area of legendary backcountry terrain. Right behind me is the snowcat that we're heading up into 5,000 acres of backcountry terrain. This area is some of the deepest snowpack in all of Colorado and makes for a one-of-a-kind experience. So we just ended the first cat trip up from the base Dry Lake Campground parking lot. About 30 minutes in a cat all the way up. Got the safety speech. Everybody's pumped up, ready to go. We're at the top of the highest peak, which is Soda Mountain, and we've got beautiful sunny skies. It's going to be a great day. Kent, buddy, that was incredible, man. Holy cow.
Right on, right?
Woo, that was such a good time, man.
So awesome.
Hey, first of all, man, congratulations.
Thank you.
This is incredible. You got such an amazing operation here.
Thank you. Really appreciate you.
The guides are so committed to making sure everybody's having a good time, and the terrain is incredible, man.
We're blessed.
Yeah, absolutely. How did this all start? How did Powdercats begin, and how has it evolved to the perfection it is today?
Well, first off, Buffalo Pass is a magical place. We have a permit with the Route National Forest. Since 1983, we've been keeping it fresh. A lot of our team has been with us for 10, 15, 20 years. Well, they just love what they do, and you can tell by the stoke on the people's faces. And Buffalo Pass is the snowiest place in all of Colorado. So we get this combination of just a magical area and this wonderful snow. And we run trips from mid-December through the end of March and just have such a good time.
They've got it down to such a science. It's almost like doesn't even matter if it really snows or not. You guys have fresh lines all over the place.
And the guides are really committed. You know, they know this terrain. And they search it out and find it. Number one thing is to keep our guests safe. Number two is to have as much fun possible. Number three is fresh pow. And Mother Nature really holds the cards. So. And today we just have nice spring-like conditions. Always fun.
It's been beautiful, man.
Yeah. You know, I've known you for a long time, Robert.
Yes, sir.
You and I go back a long time, from rivers to real estate to ski and pow. And
absolutely.
We kind of make this place what it is. So our guests that come with us, about 80% of them are return guests. And I've gotten to know them. Our staff has gotten to know them. We're friends now. We want to have good experiences. We live for our experiences day by day, moment by moment, breath by breath, and it's just so important to have good experiences in your life, and that's what we do.
All right, so thank you so much for your time, buddy. I think it's time to get back on the mountain.
Yeah, let's go.
Take some more turns. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you so much for joining me for this incredible day exploring the backcountry of Buffalo Pass. This has been an epic day with Steamboat Powdercats, and this is the American Dream. We'll see you next time as we continue to explore the heart and soul of Steamboat Springs and the Yampa Valley.